Hey guys, this is Old Man Wags here with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers. We are introducing our 10-meter Blitz system designed by Dirt Killer. What this is an all-in-one soft washing system that's designed to make it easy for a guy to go out in the field, work out of the bed of a pickup truck, and get started, whether that's house washing or roof cleaning. What we've done is paired an aluminum skid with a 100-gallon DOT-approved chemical-resistant tank. In addition to that, we've paired this with a chem system that does 9 gallons a minute at 300 PSI. It's a very effective unit for washing houses. It's super effective for roof cleaning. There's all kinds of other applications that you could be using this pump for. It's powered by a Honda GX200 gas-driven motor, and in addition to that, we put that all on top of a hose reel that's not only stainless internals, but has aluminum externals to make the whole thing a little bit lighter, but it has 300 feet of half-inch ag hose. This means that with this little system and its minimal entry cost, what you can do is effectively clean 3 to 4 stories from the ground, no hassle, no problems whatsoever. Hop up on a roof, be able to clean that all day long, working out of just this tank. So, we've plumbed all this in with a 3-way valve. This allows you to not only pull from the tank as a standing source, or you can hook up a garden hose to it, flush out your pump, fill up your tank, or just use basically a standing water source for extra rinse power. As you're doing this, you can soap, you can rinse, and then you can flush out your pump all in one just by turning this little blue handle. All right guys, so like we said, we built this custom for a contractor. So Dylan's Pressure Washing out of Southern Maryland. We look forward to hearing your feedback after these are delivered to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is DirtKiller.com. Let's kill some dirt.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.